Right, so here's my presentation for Group 3, OSI Model Semper. Okay, everyone, welcome. Today we're simplifying the Internet's top layers, the session, presentation, and application layer. So let's jump in. All right. So let's take a quick look at the OSI model. So this is, how it actually, well, not actually look like, but theoretical. So at this OSI model, it's like a 7-layer cake for network communication, where each layer has a specific job. We're focusing on the top 3 floors today, and which is where your apps directly interact with the network. All right. On to the layer 5, the session layer, or your connection box. Um, it manages your conversation like a phone call, and it handles who talks when, and can even pause or resume your activity if the connection drops. As you can see here in this image, we have the play and the pause button. So it's something like that. Now, layer 6, the presentation layer, our data translator. So it ensures all computers understand the data format. This layer also handles encryption, I mean, for security and compression to make your files smaller for faster sending. Okay, and here is our layer 7, the application layer. Your daily apps. This is what you interact with directly. It provides services like your web browser and email, giving your software the front door to the internet. This one, your browser, email, Zoom, Spotify, games that you play. That's the layer 7. All right. And this slide shows a simple flow for sending a photo online. Like your photo app loads it, the presentation layer encrypts and compresses it, and the session layer opens the connection. And at the other end, it all just reverses back, like how it uh, does it on the first stage, and then at the last stage, it's like the same. That's how it works. Yeah. So why this all matter? Well, these layers break down the complex task, making sure all your devices and software can communicate seamlessly. It's how your favorite apps work securely and efficiently across the internet. So that is our short presentation. Right. So in this second session, this is gonna be our simulation with Cisco Packet Tracer here, as you can see. We'll be doing the or I'll be showing you how we're gonna create the session presentation and the application layer. So as you can see here on my screen, it's already running green lights, meaning that everyone is connected properly and running properly. So let's create a new one. Right? So So first thing, we'll have to have our device. Say we have a PC right here, and then of course we'll need to have a server, right? All right, and then we'll need some switch right here. Okay. And then click on the connection. So you can always select this, orange thunder icon because that one select the cable or the connection automatically. Like, it detects it automatically. But physically, of course, you have to know what kind of cable you are connecting to or you're going to be using to connect these devices, right? Like the Ethernet, the fiber, those kind of things. But this one right here with the simulation, this is what we'll be using. So click here and click one, drag it here. That's it. Okay. Now, the default server port connection only has a one port like this one. So, for us to add another port, we'll have to, of course, turn it off. So we just have to get that, yellow light, and then select PD host one CE. Click and drag right here. So we already have two ports here. Turn it back on, and then just simply close it. And then we'll be selecting the connection again automatically. All right. And then we'll have to wait for it to turn green. Okay, there you go, green light. All right. So now, well, of course, everything is connected properly. We'll have to set and configure the server connection on our or for our proper connection. And let's see if they are going to talk to each other. So we're going to be using some standard or basic connection. So 192.168, and then you can use two. And you can just click here or press the tab button, and it'll use the standard subnet mask. And just close it because it again saves automatically. And then right here on the PC, of course, we have to configure this as well here in the fast Ethernet, the IP address, because um, if we didn't, if we fail to set it up, then we tried the application already, like this one. So we're not getting any response, right? Because we haven't configured the IP address. But if we configure it correctly, so go to the Ethernet IP address, um, use some standard IP. Say we're gonna put the address to the number 10. You press tab and then close it. Well, again, it saves automatically. So, all right, we click the web browser, http colon slash 192.168.2. Oh, no, that one, that right here. So it's working. It connects to the Cisco packet tracer. We also see the homepage, right? So this is the exact page that we'll see if the connection and everything is communicating properly.